What if I said, choose a table that will last you for the rest of your life? That's what I wanted. I'm an architect, and I thought, maybe I can design something. Introducing Tabl. Bring your own flat surface and attach the table legs, and in minutes you'll have your new custom piece of furniture. You can use any number of legs and clamp them to any edge of the surface, not just the corners. Say hello to circles, triangles, weird blobs, or even very long tables that use more than just 4 legs for support. Tabl is super sturdy. The unique clamp mechanism is CNC machined from a solid piece of brass, giving you an incredibly rigid connection. You're not limited to light, flimsy tabletops. Tabl is durable and repairable, so it will never fail you. It's modular and adaptable, so it will always be useful. It's a clean, minimal design made from authentic raw materials that will always look great in your home or office.